Kitsune fishermen are living in Kiso Mountains and Plateau. Kaitakogen Plateau is located in Shinshu, Nagano. There is many streams and rivers around this area. Many stream fishermen dream to come here to catch a Yamato Awana trout, which is very Japan origin char trout. Kitsune fishermen protects this field and maintain Yamato Awana's ecosystem. They were living in this beautiful countryside just peacefully and about to finish trout game season. But suddenly, they heard about an act of aggression of Tengu warrior from Ina Valley. They are about to come to conquer this beautiful field.
天狗軍団とかいうやつ俺らの地元に来やがって何が勝負だよ。
ああ、せっかく毎日楽しくやってたのにな。うっとうしいわほんと。稲谷から来るなんて羨ましいよ。眼鏡曇ってるし。だいたいさ、チャンネル YouTube 始めた頃なんかさ、私が一番
虫越さん、いよいよこれから対決なんですけども、まあちょっと負けるとちょっとどうなっちゃうかっていうね、お宝なくなっちゃうかもっていうことになってるわけなんですけども、
やる前に負けること管理するやりかいよ。帰ろうな。
This summer, Ina Tengu warriors came to Kiso and trying to rob the treasure of Kitsune Shrine. Then, the Kitsune master suggests the fishing competition instead of fighting. This battle will be held at Kaitakogen Nishino. Zone A, Nishimata River at Kaitakogen Nishino. Upper stream for Tengu team. Lower stream for Kitsune team. Zone B, Higashimata River. Right-hand stream for Tengu team. Left-hand stream for Kitsune team. Earn 1 point if they catch a Mago trout. Earn 2 points if they catch a Wana trout. Get 10 points for 30 centimeter and above, and 1 point for every 1 centimeter. The winning team can get all the treasures of the opponent. Could the foxes in Kiso protect their treasure, or would the Tengu warriors in a valley defeat them? The battle is about to begin.